At least 18 children have died in Uzbekistan after consuming a medicine syrup manufactured by Indian drug maker Marion Biotech. Now I'm reporting right outside the office of Marion Biotech, which is located here in Sector 67 of Noida. The company is now under radar. India Today tried to speak with the officials here, but they refused to come on camera. Now, according to the Uzbekistan's health ministry, 18 out of 21 children who took the Doc-1 Max syrup while suffering from an acute respiratory disease died after consuming it. Later on, during the inspection, Uzbeki officials found that a batch of syrup contained ethylene glycol, which the ministry said was a toxic substance. Now, the Indian government had recently launched an inspection of some drug factories across the country to ensure high standards of quality. Now, as per our sources, the Indian government is also looking into this matter.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.